How to open an Australian super account. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can open your own Australian super account. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, open up your Chrome browser and search for Australian Super. Simply tap on the first search result and then you'll be greeted by this page. Simply go to the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. You can either log in or join. However, since this is your first time joining, simply go to the join option and then select the type of account that you want to open. So since you want to open a super account, you need to tap on the super option. Once you tap on it, you'll be greeted by a page like this one, where you need to type in your email address first and then check in the box. Simply tap on get started, then fill in your name and your date of birth as well as your gender. And after that, you can select your address and then select continue. After that, you need to type in your phone number and then press continue once again. After which it will ask you for your TFN or tax file number. You need to simply tap it in and then you need to press on continue. Once you do so, you'll be greeted by a page like this one where you need to tell them about your work. After pressing continue, you'll be able to select what happens to your money. You can select default investment option or customize it. Then you can press on the continue option a few more times and then your request will be submitted and you'll become a member. After 2 or more days, you will be notified via Gmail that your account is ready to use. And there you go. That is how you open an Australian super account. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.